Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial I will show you how to enter your home location in the Bolt app. Just open the app and go to your account, which you can find at the bottom of the page. Scroll down a little bit and here under the saved places you can see this enter home location option. Tap on it and now start writing your address. And now you can adjust it on the map as well by placing your finger over the map and moving it. And then you can enable this button, which is also useful. And then confirm location if you are satisfied. Alright, from now on you can use it easily when you book a ride. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.